just share this with you, how I'm setting the engine up. So if I'm making a mistake somewhere, one of you hopefully tell me to stop. Now what I've done, I've got the engine mounted on a little trolley thing there. Now I've levelled it all up best I can. Well, first of all, I'm going to work off this back piece here, this back balance. So everything's going to be, I don't know what it's going to be, but anyway, that's actually level now. I've got a spirit level, that's level. Now I've put a spirit level on the top there, and that's almost level. I've just got to jack it up. So what I've got sitting on the four wheels, the trolley. I've got to jack that end, and I've got to jack the other side, a little scissor jack, just to level it up. So it's about where it's got to go. It has got to go forward that way just a little bit. I want to go back about a quarter of an inch, but that's where it is. One of my subscribers has just given me some great information on how to sort of set this all up. I was almost one step ahead. Now this there is an inch diameter, it's just over an inch diameter aluminium bar. In there, let's see it, I've made like my little lathe, made a little adapter for it, so it actually pushes right into the gearbox. Now I've done the same the other side, so you can see that is a line there. It's a little it's lifting up a little bit because there's a little bit of play in it. But if I know this top piece is level, all I need to do is just tie this up a little bit so that's level. I've got a couple of little collars, and this piece here is where the hub goes on. Well, as you see, this is the hub that's going to go on, so obviously it's going to go around. Turn it round. Right, so that's the hub that's going on. That's the one that come off the car. So the actual round bar, believe it or not, is a nice tight fit in there. That noise in the background is a fan. A bit hot today. Now that, I've tried it on and it does actually fit really nicely, so I just need to support that up. So I need to get a, well, that scissor jack's bloody, I don't know. That's out of my car, there's one man there. Anyway, I should level this up, because that'll mimic the level on top of the engine. Then I'll be able to slide the hub over. That should put it in the right place. Now I've offered the wheel up in the arch, and I've actually got the engine slightly back to where it should be, but I think it'll look okay. Well, the next thing is these chassis rails that I made up quite a while ago, I don't know if you remember or not. That is actually level in there now. So what I need, right, this is how I actually measured where the engine is against, let's see it, chassis rail temporary onto the side there. Can you see a clamp just about there? And that's actually level there now. This side, I do some serious cutting because the engine mount is right underneath. Let me see it up. Sort of down, sort of where the tape is. So I'm going to have to sort of cut it at an angle. Cut it at an angle, something like that, or quite close. And the other thing is, which you won't be able to see really, is that bottom bracket there. That actually needs to come up. And I need to put support in. And also there's a couple of supports that go from the hub up. So what I might have to do, I think I'm going to have to get a piece of tube running from there right the way across to there. Well, I've just worked out, we talked about putting a piece of tube between two chassis legs. It's going to have to go right back here. I wanted it a bit closer, but if I put it any closer, if I have to take the engine out, it won't come out, because obviously the body's got to come up past there, so it's got to go there. So I shall drill a hole there, and one down the end, and then to worry about the rest of it. And so that one means I'm going to have to take these legs out, not a problem, and mark exactly where the tube's going to go. That makes sense. So once I've got a bit of tube in there, it gives me something to hang, break it off for support down the bottom, which you still can't see. Right down there, thumb out the way, there, and also the supports that come up from the hubs. So that's the cutting plan. It's a bit sort of crude at the moment, but I can't think of any other way of doing it. If you've got any ideas or anything else, I'll be gratefully received. I'm going to put a piece of tube on there. I might actually, I could make a hole for it. I still might do it, make a hole in it. I want a bit of tube coming up here like this and over, straight across and down the other side. Now that hole, that's your fact. I might cut this the other way. I'll cut that tube down there. I'll flip that over 90 degrees. I've already got a hole in it. Let's do that, I think. And that one there, there's a hole in it. Well, I think that's about it. So it's just sitting about right. It does look as though it's sort of twisted a bit, but I think it's because of this bar that goes across here. Everything else seems to be sort of roughly in place. Well, what do you think then? Will I make a pig's ear of it, or is it going okay? I need to spend a bit more time getting the engine exactly where it should be. Well, thanks so much for watching. I haven't been too bored. I thought I'd just share it with you because someone was just asking. I thought I'd just make a quick video and show exactly what I'm doing and why I'm doing it. Anyway, thanks again for watching. See you again shortly. Bye now.